Rwanda delivers blood faster by drone than most countries do by ambulance. In 2016, Rwanda launched the world's first national drone delivery network for medical supplies. Not a pilot, a full-scale system saving lives daily. Zip-line drones fly blood, vaccines, and medicine to remote hospitals in minutes. A hospital texts an order. Within minutes, a drone launches, flies up to 80 kilometers, and drops supplies by parachute. Total time? 15 to 30 minutes. By road? 2 to 4 hours, if possible. This is life or death. Mothers bleeding during childbirth, snakebite victims needing antivenom, accident victims requiring rare blood. The difference between 20 minutes and 3 hours is survival. Rwanda now has the world's most advanced medical drone network. Over 4,000 deliveries daily. 13 million people covered. Reaching areas traditional logistics can't touch. This is African innovation solving African problems. Rwanda didn't wait for perfect roads, they built a system making roads irrelevant. The technology is expanding. Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, Tanzania. What Rwanda proved works is becoming the African standard while other continents run pilot programs and debate regulations. Compare that to the United States, still tangled in red tape. Rwanda went from zero to the world's largest medical drone network in 5 years. This is the modern African renaissance, identifying problems and engineering solutions that leapfrog traditional development. The same innovation that built iron furnaces 2,500 years ago now builds drone networks saving thousands of lives. The genius didn't disappear. It adapted. This is the Dossier. One truth a day until our history stands tall again. Follow the Dossier.